So I've been using my Canik Meta MC9 a lot and going to the range. Look what happened. My Olight. Yeah. I think the screw got loosed. I don't know what happened. As soon as I was cleaning it, all of a sudden it's like loose. So I decided to call them. It's a good thing about the Olight company. As soon as you message them or email them, just a few minutes or hours, they're gonna respond. They said, please return the item and we'll send you a new one. So instead of the PL Mini 2, they're gonna send me the Valdemir S. So let's see.